Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Dear viewers, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden sculpture of animals designs ideas. They are very beautiful and very stylish wooden statues of animals available here for you in this video. Very attractive and very beautiful wooden animal sculptures available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Very beautiful, very unique, very latest designs of wooden animal sculptures available here for you in this video. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive designs of wooden animal sculptures. You can keep these beautiful sculptures in your home. All these designs are very stylish and very amazing and looking very nice and very attractive. There are very beautiful and very attractive sculptures of animals. Wooden animal sculptures available here for you in this video. There are very beautiful and very amazing designs. Those people who love more and more animal sculptures and wanted to buy new and more stylish sculptures. So this video is especially for those people. Don't skip this video and watch more and more stylish designs of animal sculptures, animals wood sculptures. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive animal sculptures online from different websites. Like you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive animal sculptures online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive animal sculptures from here. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive designs ideas. At the end, I again request you to don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch more and more interesting videos of wooden objects in my channel. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. So friends, take care and Allah Hafiz.